Okay, here I have one whole potato, parboiled. Pretty much I just brought it to a boil, turned it off the heat, and just let the potato sit in the hot water covered, and then let it cool down that way. So the hot water still somewhat make cooking it, but not soft. Having said that, this one is a bit softer than what I wanted it to be, so be careful with that. So let the potato cool down enough so you can hold it in your hand so it doesn't burn you, and just grate it as you see I am doing right here. It's up to you if you want to peel off the skin. I prefer to leave the skin on. It's better, there's more flavor. Yeah, so I prefer to leave the skin on. Look at a full bowl of grated potato. That's quite a bit. Alright, I'm just using a pan, a baking pan, and lining it with parchment paper. Alright, I'm getting ready to use butter. So with a knife, cutting some butter off, and then I'm going to smear it on the parchment paper, spreading it up right through. Doesn't have to be all even, just all over the place. So this is my take on Rosti, Swiss dish of pan-fried or sauteed grated potatoes. Originated as a breakfast dish for farmers in the canton of Bern, Switzerland, and is now a beloved national dish enjoyed throughout the country and beyond. So I have pan fried it the way it's supposed to be made, but I don't know, it just soaks up too much butter or oil, I find. And then I just thought, hey, let me just try to bake it, roast it, grill it, however, and I prefer this way a lot better. It's has more of a crispy crunch to it, and I'm kind of hooked on it. I've been making it for a couple of days now to go with my sausages and eggs. Really, really good way of doing this. So as you can see, I am placing the grated potatoes, spreading it out evenly. So I'm adding more butter on top, just dollops of it here and there. So I say this is less butter or oil if I was pan frying the Rosti. So sprinkle some seasoning however you like, and put it, I use a toaster oven, so I put it in the toaster oven. And this is how it came out. It looks nice and crispy the way I like it. I did take it out a few times to give it a toss here and there, and then put it back in. It does take a little longer, but it's worth the wait. I really am into this grated potatoes. My take on Rosti. Yeah, I'm hooked on it. So here's the final presentation of my late breakfast lunch, and it's with hot Italian sausage, scrambled eggs, and the baked Rosti. I am loving this. It's so good. You can serve it with the potatoes. You can serve it with sour cream and chives, I guess, the way they would serve the Rosti, but it's fine on its own. I hope you give it a try as well. So yummy.